Prosecco DOCG. I think there's a big misconception because there's a much larger growing area called Prosecco, and then there's a very small hilly appellation called Prosecco Superiore. Prosecco is a style of wine from a region in northeastern Italy called the Veneto. Within the region of the Veneto, there is an appellation where Prosecco comes from. It's south of the Dolomites. It's about 40 kilometers north of the Adriatic Sea. And the DOCG is named for two different towns, Conegliano and Valdobbiadene. They're on two different sides of this steeply sloped set of mountains and ridges that form this appellation. It's a misconception that all Prosecco is sparkling. Prosecco can also be still, tranquillo, undiscouraged colfando styles. So there's a whole bevy of styles that come from this area that is known as Prosecco Superiore. Proseccos are fruity, floral, mineral. They pair so well with so many things, and they really just speak to the terroir and the soul of this people in a special way.
I remember my grandmother was doing pasta at home, gnocchi, lasagna.
If they were to try one Prosecco pairing, what would you recommend for their first try?
Oh, that's a hard one because Prosecco can pair with so many different things. It has so many different styles. I think the most commonly applied pairing, especially for the style of Prosecco extra dry, is with spicy food. People want acidity and freshness to their wine, but sometimes that acidity really is at odds with the dishes that they are eating. And extra dry is a confusing term because it means there's actually a little residual sugar. When you have something that has the freshness, the brightness to cleanse your palate, but a little residual sugar to add roundness and complementary nature to things with heat. So if you have like a kind of spicy dish, maybe like a clam dish, a seafood dish with a lot of chili flake in it or something, and you're like, what can I drink with this? Prosecco's a perfect option. Cleanses the palate, spicy but fresh. It's just a perfect pairing with things that are often hard to pair with.